instead of yeye kukua at home, even the Bible says an idle mind ni devil's workshop. Sijui kama nimeget it right, but I'm somewhere around there. Yeah, so wakati ukete mtoto wako kwa nyumba, ako peke yake, ana watch TV, maybe kuna vitu chafu zenye ana watch, what do you expect? Ata engage with na vitu zenye wewe mwenyewe hautaki kama mzazi. So take advantage of this opportunity, bring your daughter, bring your son here. Have fun.
Yo, so today I'm in the CBD, Nairobi CBD, and I am one-on-one with you. So I'm going to just take you along with how Nairobi is the beehive of content creators in every Saturday and Sunday, whereby people just come and create content. Those that want to be photographed in the CBD. Those that have come to do TikToks, those that have come to do YouTube content just like me, like I'm doing to do. So I'm going to be working in various parts of this area, the various side of the CBD, just to show you how people are using the advantage that we were given by the Nairobi government. This is something very good and something encouraging to the young people, because they are using this time to come and just make content rather than going to being involved into things like stealing and being thieves and petty things that are against the law that can put them in danger. They're making this time to come and make content. Of course, content is paying. YouTube is paying. TikTok is paying. Everything is paying nowadays. So it is something good. Without further ado, I'll take you along this video, and I hope you'll enjoy. Yes, again, my name is King K. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Mimi nashukuru sana serikali ya Nairobi kitu imefanya. Imefanya watu wengi sana, vijana wengi sana wametoka kufanya mambo mabaya kama leo Saturday na Sunday. Unaona leo kuna watu wengi sana wanachukua ma content zao, na sisi tunashukuru sana kitu wamefanya juu vijana wengi sana tumejitoa kwa mambo mabaya, mambo mengi mabaya. Sasa hii tunashughulika na kutafuta content zile zinaweza tusaidia pale social media. Sisi tunashukuru tu sana.
There are so many people and very many activities happening in this area specifically for the content creators. As you can see here, we have people dancing. You can see some dancing. Specifically, there are also people that are creating content for their TikTok accounts. These are mostly TikTokers.
Mimi ningekuwa dancer ningekuwa mfano.
Ungekuwa dancer?
Niacha kudance, niacha story ya dance.
Kwa nini?
Juu namaliza
nguvu za kiume ama
nguvu za mwili.
This is something that has made many talents, dancing talents, and content creation has gone up. This is even exposing Nairobi and the content creators and their talents to the world, because recently there have been so many foreigners coming to Kenya just to make content, just to come to make content. And this one is, I can say, like a tourist attraction for the people, for the content creators that are not Kenyan.
Hi guys, my name is Maren and I'm Maureen. So we are from Tintango, Kenya.
And we just wanted to say, like, right now we are in Nairobi, and as you can see, there's a lot of content creators who have come here to create content. And we want to appreciate our government and our governor Sakaja for allowing freely content creators to come to town with cameras and shoot. You know, in the past, people used to be harassed by city council because it wasn't legal to shoot with cameras and CBD. But right now you can come with your cameras, shoot content, and nobody will bother you. Yeah, the only thing you have to be careful with is your property when you come to shoot, because sometimes some other people take advantage to steal from people. So maybe you can also come as a group. Yeah. And then another thing, as you can see, much as there are people who are here to create content, this is town and this is the CBD, and we have homeless people. I don't mean to sound discriminative or anything, but they are there, and these are people who are looking for opportunities. So it is safer if you come in groups, but if you come alone, just look at your property.
You advise to the students that have closed school, do you advise them to come and tap into this space, or what's your advice to them?
Yeah, to those, we know right now schools are closed here in Kenya, so we'd like to advise the kids who are at home or the youth who are at home and you have a lot of time in your hands. You can come to the CBD and take opportunity, take advantage of, you know, the now content creators gathering in town. You might meet somebody who might help you along your journey. Yeah. You might meet an opportunity. Yeah, if there's something I wanted to say, if this is your passion, that is, because if it's not your passion, you'll be wasting your time. If it's your passion, come and make the most out of this opportunity, because different governments and different administrations have different rules. This government is allowing free shoots in CBD, but you don't know what the next government will want, so take advantage of the opportunity. Yeah.
Hey guys, my name is Robbie Masaga. Yeah, that is on all my socials. You can look for me. Make sure you subscribe, yeah? So, about chance ama opportunity ya kuja kushoot hapa hivi to do content creation from here in town, I feel like it's a very nice opportunity, especially for the young people. Like sahi, with teenagers, wamefunga shule, na wamefunga for 2 months. Now you can imagine being at home for 2 months, doing nothing, being a teenager. Obviously, there is a lot that inaweza endelea, but with this opportunity, I do believe that unaweza leta mtoi hapa hivi afanye content creation yake hapa, something that inaweza msaidia positively, even in future, even right now, to avoid a lot of negative things zenye zinaweza endelea, like kupata ball, kupata ugonjwa and all that, yeah? So take advantage of this opportunity. Bring your daughter, bring your son here. On Sunday, it's very lively here. Na hakuna mtu atakushika because we have the right to do something from here. Yeah.
What's your advice to those parents that may feel their kids, when their kids come to this place, they'll be maybe harassed? Do you advise them to come with their mama to just hold them back at home?
Okay, to the parents that might feel a bit maybe a bit insecure with mtoto wake kuja in town, be your daughter's ama your son's friend. Unaweza mleta hapo hivi town. Most Sundays watu wako nyumbani, si ndio? It's a weekend. Most people are at home. Relax. You don't want your son ama your daughter to get involved for anything that might upset kwa life yako. Take the advantage of kukuja kushoot hapa hivi. Leta mtoto wako, do something with them. Siku hizi hata tunaona mama, baba wana dance na watoto wao. Come here, have fun. Yeah, go back home. At least umesaidia mtoto wako. Hiyo siku utajua mtoto wako ako wapi, uko na yeye, na at the same time pia atajibamba. Unaona? Nikiangalia around here, like hapa hivi, kama kuna mtu mzee hapa hivi, maybe 25 years, yeah? That is minus mimi, of course. Maybe 25 years, yeah? Na instead of yeye kukua at home, even the Bible says an idle mind ni devil's workshop. Sijui kama nimeget it right, but I'm somewhere around there. Yeah, so wakati ukete mtoto wako kwa nyumba, ako peke yake, ana watch TV, maybe kuna vitu chafu zenye ana watch, what do you expect? Ata engage with na vitu zenye wewe mwenyewe hautaki kama mzazi. So take advantage of this opportunity, bring your daughter, bring your son here. Have fun.
What's your end goal about content creation, about you being a content creator?
Well, at the end of the day, we are all looking for money, right? But money aside, when I started content creation, what I had in mind ni ile kuweza kusaidia watu wenye, like you see, kuna watu wako out there depressed, stressed, like wajui waanzie wapi, wajui wamalizie wapi. So mimi nikasema let me come up with I do content creation ya biashara. So nikasema wacha nikuje na hiyo idea ya biashara so that nisaidie mtu huko nje mwenye maybe ako tu home na ajui venye atafanya na kitu atafanya. Maybe the moment anaona whatever I'm doing na anaona whatever that people have done kwa hizo interviews, atakuwa like, ah man, if they can do it, I can also do it. Yeah. So my end goal ni kuweza kusaidia watu pale nje, whoever is depressed, stressed, man, just wake up. Life has to move on. Yeah. Si lazima ujiwe na stress. Si lazima uchukue kamba ujiwe. Like you can just wake up today and useme uamue na guess what? You can beat depression. Yeah. So that is my end goal. I'm hoping I've answered your question. Yeah, and I like I said, my name is Robbie Masaga. I'm a content creator and journalist by profession.
Until next time, let's meet the next video. Boom.